So let's talk about how you actually use zero product property. We have this quadratic equation. We have the zero, but we don't have a product. So I'm going to factor this so I can write it as a product. And I can see I can factor an x out of each term. So x times x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here I have the product, thing times thing, and I have a 0. So one of these things must be 0. So either this first thing is 0 or the second thing is 0. And then let's just solve each. This one's already solved. For this one, I could add 5 to both sides. So x is equal to 5. So as you've come to expect, a quadratic equation has two solutions, 0 and 5. For question number 5, I have a 0, but I don't have a product. So I'm going to factor this left-hand side, writing it as a product. And then one of the two things, the x could be 0 or the other thing could be 0. If the product is 0, one of the factors must be 0. And then I'm just going to solve each one of these. This is good. I have x by itself. For this one, if I subtracted 7 from both sides, I'd get x is negative 7. And for number 6, I have a 0, but I don't have a product. So I'm going to factor the left-hand side, factor out an x, and then zero product property. If I'm multiplying two things and getting 0, one of those things has got to be 0. And I'm going to solve this equation, add 8 to both sides. So my solutions are x is 0 or x is 8.